Cold start action, boys? Cold start action? Maybe. Wow, do you hear that? All right, boys, Old Man Winter has arrived officially. It's freezing. All right, real quick while the truck's warming up, before we lose you, today is the freaking day of all days. Today is the biggest sale we have ever done in the history of sales. So what we're doing is the biggest sale in our history of existence. Stage 1 kits, $200 off. Huge, crazy deal. Stage 2 kits, $300 off. $300 off Stage 2 kits. That's madness. 606 files, emissions on calibrated files. This is Easy Link, the shift on the fly switch, and the switch mount, and the tunes, $200 off. 2020 emissions on tuning, oh my goodness, we're half off of tuning. That's crazy. That's just over $600 off of the tuning. That's madness. This is the biggest sale we've ever done, right?
It's a great deal.
It's a great deal. All right, guys, so this is going to be running today, Wednesday, which is the video. This is the day this video is going live. It's going to be running today, Wednesday to Wednesday. Absolute crazy. If you don't act, you have to act now. If you're on the fence, today is the day, now is the time, because I promise you that we'll never be doing a sale this good, anything like this ever again. Black Friday, big deal. I know I'm pumped, so just check it out. Link in description.
It's for the people.
It's for the people. For the people. For you guys. Why is the exhaust fluid in this truck always running out? Little battle going on. Battle of the wise. Dude, he's squatted too. Dude, he's rocking the forces though. We ain't competing with those. Hashtag half squat. Old Tractor Supply coming through. He needs to get on that. Get in on that. Get in on that. He needs to get on that front tire action, man. Where are we looking? We're looking right at the sky. I'm prepared for launch, brother. Hurry up. I don't know what it looks like on camera, but we're like seriously wheeling. Looks like we're gonna get ready to jump that barn. All right, so truck is finished. 2020 F250, 6.7 Powerstroke, Lariat Sport, Velocity Blue. Whoa. As of right now, it's done. Is it done? Is it not done? That's the ultimate question. Finish your lift? What does that mean? What do you mean finish your lift? You finish your lift? We got this, the 4-link Pro Comp finally together. It is finally on, meaning that we got the correct coil springs, for the love of God, finally. Check the part number, 24515. Oh, buddy. That's a, yep, that's a coil. So we have 6-inch, 4-inch factory. And we got done with the front, torqued it all in, did the string alignment, like string alignments. What is your thoughts on this? I'm gonna regret what I say.
Thoughts for this.
All right, we are completely straight. This front wheel is straight with that rear wheel. We squared this all up. It's perfectly square. Moving to the passenger side, and on the front, we are 2 millimeters towed in. So we got a 2 millimeter towed in that way. Yeah, that's what we do here. We do that. Anyways, didn't lift the rear. Didn't do it. Fully stock rear. We're sitting there, we're like, huh, half squat. Hashtag half squat. I introduce you to half squat. New name for the truck, half squat. No, what we're really doing is we're trying to get Whistling Diesel to buy the truck or take the truck or whatever he does with the trucks, and then just do the testing review on the squatted truck, because yeah, why not? Squatted trucks are cool, right? Dude, they got a whole bunch of stuff at that roadside stand. Full. Filled up. Wreaths, homemade wreaths. You want a wreath? Nope. What's the purpose of doing this though? Like, what's the purpose of that? Is it purely a look thing? Is there any functionality to it, or is it just like getting weird and that's it?
That's so you can load things easier in the rear.
It's like if you park on a hill when you got to unload your lawnmower, and you know you're up on the hill and the tailgate's lower. You ever done that?
Nope.
Done it.